Hiya, this is how to operate the Elddis control panel. What you'll see, the bottom button here, the master button, you switch that on when the motorhome is parked up. You'll notice the gauge at the top has spiked, and that's just showing you the voltage currently. If you look at the arrow onto the white line, you'll see that you're currently just over 14 volts in your leisure battery. To test your water, if you press and hold the button underneath, you'll see that the water level has been indicated here, and we're somewhere between empty and quarter full. And when you release, it goes back to showing voltage. Top left hand side, you've got your lights. Click here, the lights will come on, but they're also independently switched on around the motorhome. You'll also have your outside awning light on the bottom left hand side. Up the top right hand side, you've got your water pump. So when you want water, switch on your pump. The green light indicates that it's running. You'll notice there's a red light not illuminated but just above the green light. That will illuminate when your grey waste tank is full and requires to be emptied. When you're not using the pump, we suggest you turn the pump off. And then on the bottom right hand side, you have your tank heater. This doesn't heat the water, this simply stops your fresh water from freezing. So if you think that you're going to be in cold conditions, you would switch that on, and that'll keep a small heating element running in your freshwater tank to prevent any frost damage. To switch the control panel off, simply switch button again, back at the top, and you'll notice the gauge is no longer reading anything.